Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, I want to give a special shout out to our younger viewers. One of our older drawings, True from the Rainbow Kingdom, just hit 1,000 views. For a small channel like ours, that's a big deal, and it truly means the world to me. Your support and love are what keep this channel going, so thank you. To celebrate, we're going to draw True from the Rainbow Kingdom once again. So let's get started. Start with a large oval or rounded square shape, slightly wider at the top. This is the base for Bartleby's head. On each top corner of the head, draw two pointy triangle shapes. Tilt them slightly outward for that playful look. Draw a small oval or soft triangle near the bottom center of the head. This is Bartleby's snout where the mouth and nose will go. Add a tiny upside-down triangle for the nose. Beneath that, draw a cute smiling curve for the mouth. Draw two big circles, one on each side of the snout, but slightly higher. Inside each eye, add a large black pupil with a tiny white circle for the highlight to give him that shiny, adorable look. You can also outline the eyes slightly thicker to make them pop. From under the head, sketch a slim, rounded body, small and narrow. Begin with a U shape. This will be the bottom part of True's face, like the chin and cheeks. Keep the curve wide and soft. Leave room at the top for the eyes and hair. On the side of the U shape, draw small curved C shapes for her ear. The ear sits low on the head, near where the curve of the cheeks starts to rise. Add a tiny inner curve in the ear for detail. Like number 3, draw her curvy fringe bangs. It's shaped like a wave or soft cloud across her forehead. Then sketch the rest of the hair rounding up and over her head, like a big dome or fluffy helmet shape. Draw her ponytail sticking out at the back or side with a nice gentle curl. Don't forget her signature 3 rainbow hairballs on top, red, blue, yellow. They look like lollipops on the side of a short stem. Inside the head shape, draw 2 huge round eyes. Add big black pupils with white highlights to make them sparkle. Her eyes are expressive, so make sure they're evenly spaced and symmetrical. Add small eyelashes on the top outer corners for extra cuteness. And finally, let's draw her body. And there you have it. True from the Rainbow Kingdom giving Bartleby a big, warm hug. I had so much fun drawing with you today. How about you? If you enjoyed this as much as I did, ask your parents to leave a comment below. A like would mean the world to me. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Most importantly, have fun and keep being creative. See you on the next one.